Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in asansol location. It is from West Bengal. So let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there are openings for HDFC Bank. So they are looking for the relationship manager, business banking. So freshers with the CA or MBA in finance. So these candidates are eligible to apply with 3 to 7 years of experience in working capital loans. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for BPO Convergence Private Limited. So they are hiring for the chart support advisors. So they are hiring the candidates for these positions. So let us see what are the qualifications and other details mentioned here for these positions. So the qualification required would be 12th pass, graduate, postgraduate with 6 months of experience in chart support, and also the candidate should have good writing skills in English and ability and willing to learn, and good reading and vocabulary skills, and also you should have great interpersonal skills and ability to perform as per the process. So you can go through with the selection process. So and the CTC would be up to 18 lakhs per annum. So if you are interested to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for eHerio. So they are looking for the business development manager position, B2B. So let us see what are the requirements mentioned here for this position. So the you should have up to like 3 years of experience in direct sales, field sales experience. So fresher candidates are also eligible, and you should have experience in short sales cycle, and also you should create your own pool of clients via multiple channels, and you should be self-driven and street smart attitude is required. So you can go through with the requirements mentioned here. If you are interested to apply, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for RDR Dairy Products Private Limited, looking for the sales executive. So qualification required would be HS or graduate, and you should have 1 to 4 years of experience to apply for this position. So if you are interested to apply, then you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for senior manager or AGMIT. So it is for a Great Eastern Energy Corporation Limited. So you need to report to the MD and CEO. Qualification would be graduation, post graduation, or BTech in IT, MBA, IT. So you should have 12 to 17 years of experience to apply for this senior manager position. So if you are eligible to apply, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.